What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at AMD stock, guys. So, is AMD about to flush another level down? We'll talk about that in this video and what are the possibilities of that happening. Or, I'll also talk about the case, can AMD become bullish here again? And what are the areas? Because look at it, from last 3 days, here, AMD hasn't made a move. It's just sitting right over there, right from 3 days, again being choppy. So shall this be taken as, oh, another big move is coming to the upside, or another downside move is coming? So as I said, we'll talk about all of that in this video. The price action, I'll provide my sentiment, and we'll go through the video with the price action, and you, by the end of this video, you will know all what you need to know for your day trading, swing trading, whatever you want to do. Now, check out my Nvidia video as well that I did this morning. That will teach you a lot about all those flushes that we were talking about to the downside. Nvidia is breaking some really big structures. There's still an hour and a half till the market closes, and let's see how Nvidia closes, but I'll do another video on Nvidia later today when the market has closed as well. All right, and Tesla and all of this stuff is coming out as well, guys. So hit the subscribe and like button. So you already know none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, right? Okay. Now, we have AMD, as I said, from last 3 days, sitting around doing nothing, right? We are, though, in a downtrend still. Lower highs, lower lows, below 20 days, 50 days moving average, below this trend line, and also have done a flush and the break of the level and break of structure at 174.20 to the downside. Now AMD has gotten stuck here. There is this zone of 165 to 56 cents to 165.56 cents to the zone of 161.80 cents. The flush possibility is pretty much from 165.69 cents, and because there is more room to the downside because we are still in the downtrend. Okay, nothing has changed to the uptrend. So 165.69 cents is still a flush zone, and once this flush starts happening, we can easily come down to 151 on AMD. That's the very likely. But when this is going to happen, is the price action telling us that it's going to happen tomorrow? Let's talk about that on the lower time frame now. So on hourly interval, let's see what it's telling us. So when you see such massive flush, and this is where our level was, that I said that, hey, this rebound may come all the way to 173.96 cents, anywhere until there, that's fine. That's just a rebound. It doesn't make AMD bullish, okay? It's still going to be bearish. I could adjust something on my indicator. And if you need access to my tools, guys, links in the description below of this video, okay? Now let's do that. All right. And the settings that I do, everything, once you join my membership, you will have access to the training videos that I have that will teach you what these things means. So here we are. Now, this being just going zigzaggy, right? It's very simple. Right now, yes, I'm seeing on the daily interval these levels holding. This wicks forming, thus it's not letting go AMD go lower. So not on swing right now. Intraday, long, 169.82 cents is the area. If we can close above it with a good green candle, tomorrow, again, we might try to test 172.73 cents. This is the area to watch again. Yes, this thing may try to go up, but it's not going to be bullish still. It will either remain choppy or will reject again at 174.25 cents with this overhead rolling 200 hours moving resistance as well. And as we continue to lose 168.64 cents, it will start to become the likelihood of flush, and below 165, that's the flush that will take it down to $150 eventually. So AMD is just prepping itself up for the next move. This is going to the consolidation, break on either side will give that move. Things will get more clear if we go to the 5 minutes interval here. So you can see how indecisive AMD is from the last 3 days. In the price action on here right now on the 5 minutes, every time, even in this consolidation, you can see we are making lower highs all the time. Every time it's trying to test that high of the day, it's being sold off. So it is still weak, and if we close today below any of these levels, 168 and 59 cents, first of all, that's a problem. It's in the bear camp. That increases the possibility of this coming to flush to the downside. I will intraday long for tomorrow. Again, I even sure upside may come again because the things are so heavily weighted to the downside right now in the price action. Long side, I would be very careful trading it, but you can see that above maybe 169 and 93 cents, or better be 171 and 171 and above. Intraday long only, though, not swing long. AMD doesn't have anything right now ongoing in its favor for the swing long. We have rolling 20 and 50 days moving average resistance from the top. We have this resistance from the prior structure break here. Yeah, in my opinion, it has more room to the downside. The level to watch for the flush is at 164 and 74 cents. Break of that may bring it down to $151 all the way down here. Even if AMD, again, in my opinion, has a room to maybe fall lower as well, to come down to all the way to 200 days moving average as well, okay? So this thing is not bullish. It has room to come lower, okay? That's my sentiment on AMD. And yeah, this might take some time and wait before, you know, another move comes. It's just consolidation phase, okay? And that's what it is, but it's still weak, right? All right, SMCI, I just want to show you around. So as you know, if you have seen my previous yesterday's video on SMCI, my play was, I already covered it. I'll talk about it in another video as well, but I was talking about if this flushes below 50 days moving average, I would want to open another short play. So I'll talk about this. If I did anything, again, if I open another position, I'll talk about it in another video that I'll be doing of SMCI today. Let's take a look at Broadcom, just high level. Yeah, Broadcom is still in my position. I won't do a video separately on Broadcom today. I don't have that much time to cover Broadcom, but just that's why I'm showing you here that this is the short position. I still have the second one. First one knocked me out in my stop loss. And yeah, it's a fake out, but it knocked me out on hourly interval. And so I opened another position at a little bit higher short here, and then I'm still in money, but I'll talk about it maybe. Well, you know, let me talk about it real quick. Yeah, let's see on the hourly interval. Yeah, still zigzagging, but in my opinion, it has a room to come lower. Cool. Nvidia, I already did, you know, a video. I'll do another video, as I said, but just let's see where it is right now. 845 struggling. It's just flushing lower, creating a downtrend, already in the downtrend. So that's that. Let's see QQQ and SPY distribution phase. I think you're getting tired of me saying there's a distribution phase. I have been, yeah, it's still in the distribution phase, you know. Just because it is in distribution phase and I have said it multiple times, doesn't mean I'm not going to say it. It is what it is. I'm just saying that. You know, SPY is also in the distribution phase right now. But yeah, heading lower. In my opinion, market is going to head lower. Just my opinion, though nothing is guaranteed, just an educational advice. Alright guys, this video was for AMD specifically. I'll be doing other videos today. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.